guys, I think I'm gonna call it quits in the shop today and go get myself something to drink. But I want an old fashioned, and I'm not very good at making old fashions. But luckily, I know someone I can give a call to. Hang on a second. Hey Bill. Yeah, it's Daryl. You busy? Okay. Well, I was thinking one of your old fashions sound good. You up for making us a couple? All right, perfect. I'll be there in just a moment. Looking forward to it. Bye. So, I've got a buddy, Bill, as you just heard, starting his own YouTube channel called Whiskey and Vinyl Lounge. And this will be his premiere video. So let's go over and have him make us an old fashioned. I'll take you along for the long walk next door to my neighbor's house. Okay guys, we made the long trek to my neighbor's house. Say hi, Bill.
How's it going, guys?
He's the one that's going to be making us the old fashioned today, and I'm the one that's going to be drinking it. I'm going to sit back, enjoy the show, and let him teach us a thing or two about making some drinks.
There we go. Sounds good.
All right. So you showed me how to make it.
Mm-hmm. So you want to try it?
Yeah. Can you?
I can teach you how to do it.
One.
It is actually very simple. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab that bottle of bourbon.
Okay.
You're going to take the lid off of it. Okay. You're going to take your jigger.
So what did I just open? This is that you said Statesman?
Yeah, Statesman. It's Old Forester out of Lexington. I'm sorry, out of Louisville, Kentucky.
Okay.
They've been around for 150 years plus, I believe. But they put out some amazing bourbons.
Okay. I do like Old Forester.
Yeah.
I don't think I've had Statesman.
Yeah, this is one of their better ones, I think. And it's really good for making old fashions. It's great for sipping. You can do some great Manhattans with it, a lot of other things. So, but today, let's go ahead and we're going to do an old fashioned. So if you want to take that bottle, you're going to take your jigger.
Okay.
You're going to take the larger side of it.
Okay.
You're going to take and you're going to pour 2 of those.
2 of these. All right.
Yeah.
All the way to the top?
All the way to the top. That's going to be 2 parts. That is 2 1-ounce pours.
Supposed to go in the cup,
In
right?
the cup.
Okay.
I just said 2 parts. It's actually 4 parts. This is a 4-part pour.
Okay.
Okay. Because a part
just
equals a
missing.
½ ounce. That's all right.
All right. Done with that one.
Okay. Now you're going to take your Demerara syrup.
This
Yeah.
one?
That one there.
Okay.
You're going to do that on the short side. And you're going to do 1 of those.
1. All right.
Yeah. Because this is a ½ ounce.
All the way to the top again.
All the
right?
way to the top. There you go.
Oh, that's thick.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right. Next, you're going to take your Angostura bitters.
All
You're
right.
going to do 3 dashes of that.
3 dashes.
3
okay.
dashes.
What does
1.
that constitute as?
That's it. That's 1, 2, 1 more. 3. There you go. Now you're going to take your orange bitters, which I like to add.
That would be okay.
Yeah, and you're just going to take and pull that out. You're going to put it in there and just pull a little bit out, and
How many
then
drops?
yeah, that's 1. We're going to do 1 more. There you go. That's good.
All of that?
All of that. You're good.
Okay.
This is just going to add a little bit of orange flavor to it,
All right.
what you're looking to get. So now, what we're going to do is you're going to take the spoon, you're going to mix it up. Okay. After that, we're going to put an ice cube into the glass.
Okay.
Pour that right over it.
And you said we use a solid ice cube because it melts slower.
It melts slower. That way you don't get the watered down drink. Okay. After that,
Now
you're going to take and
garnish it, right?
Yeah. So you're going to add 1 cherry to it.
1 cherry.
Yeah. This is the Luxardo cherries. To me, the best ones out there. There are some that are similar to it. The ones that I completely stay away from are those cherries that people like to call cherries that go on top of ice creams.
Oh, that's just
Those things are just
nasty.
not good.
Okay.
That, and then you're going to take your orange. You're going to cut a little piece off of that.
Just the
Just
skin?
the skin.
How wide do I go?
You're doing good right there. That's perfect.
How far?
Go down to just a little bit further, about right there. Once you've done that, all you're going to do is you're going to take your orange.
Oh, I remember this. I rubbed the rim, right?
Rub the rim. Other side. That way that you get the oils off of the skin.
Oh.
You don't want that pithy taste.
Do I do the whole rim?
Do the whole rim. Yeah. What that's going to do is whenever you go to drink it, you're going to get that orange scent that's going to hit you first, and
Toss
just
it
drop
in.
it down in there.
Okay.
And now enjoy.
And we're done.
We are done.
Well,
Go ahead.
cheers.
Taste yours and.
That is good. That is strong, but that is very good.
Yeah.
Well, I can definitely taste the orange. That's great.
All right. Well, good. Now you know how easy it is to make these on your own. You can impress your friends, which is the whole reason of being a bartender. So all you got to do is have the right ingredients to get it done right.
But you're my only friend.
This will help you make more friends.
Or forget that I only have one.
It could be that too.
Awesome. Thanks, Bill.
Yeah,
Sounds
absolutely.
like with all the things we can do with this Old Forester, you're going to be teaching me a lot more drinks.
I will be. We'll
So-
have you over on the channel.
Yeah.
So we're going to be kicking that off.
And what's the name of the channel?
The name of the channel is Whiskey and Vinyl Lounge. And we're going to be making all kinds of stuff. It's not just going to be whiskey drinks. We're going to be using all of the kinds of things, tequilas, vodkas, rums, some seasonal things. We've got a lot that we're looking at doing. And the whole purpose of it is really to teach people how to make great drinks at home that you can enjoy without having to go out and spend a small fortune at a bar to get the same thing.
Awesome.
All right?
Thanks. Well, go check out his channel, subscribe, like, comment, hype, all those things.
We would love that. We would love that. Videos coming soon.